Hi, everybody. This is your teachers at Pines and Miss Joan and Miss Kay, who couldn't be here, but they are here in spirit. And we wanted to show you the new tool that we're going to use to help you with your lessons. And this tool is called Zoom. We're making you a video tutorial to show you a little bit about using Zoom, how you'll do it, because you'll be doing this on your own some. At first, you might have an adult help you, but after that, you should be able to get this on your own. We have confidence in you. We miss you and are thinking about you. We wanted to show you first that it would be really helpful for you to have a set of headphones or speakers. You all know how to do these. You just would wear your headphones and you'll be able to hear your teacher really clearly. You might want a microphone because your teacher might ask you sometimes to maybe speak and talk to her, and we'd love to hear your voice. And then you will need a camera because we want to see you. As you can see, all your teachers, this is what Zoom will look like when you're in there, but instead of Miss Anwana up here or over here or Miss Ashley, it'll be you guys up here, all of the students. And so I'm going to show you first how to click to open Zoom. Your teachers are going to send an email to your family, and when you get your email, you'll be able to click and open that email up, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. It would look exactly like this little blue underlined set of words that has the word Zoom in there. That's a link. Do you remember if you can mouse over something and you get the hand, then that means when you click it, it will open up a tool or take you to something else. It's called a link. And so you'll click on that Zoom link, and when you do, the first time it's going to ask to launch an application on your computer, and you're going to approve that. That's okay to do, and you're going to allow it. And I would ask an adult to be with you when you do this. It's going to install just really quickly something on your computer. It can open in a browser, which is Google Chrome, or it can open on your computer, a tool on your computer. And that tool will look exactly like what this looks like here when it opens, and opens properly. You'll be able to see the teacher who's leading the meeting. Right now is Miss Anwana, and you see Mr. David in there, and it will open and show you who's hosting the meeting for you, which teacher for which lesson. And you can see all the participants at the top, which will be all the students that join the meeting. And if you see right here, in the corner is gallery view or speaker view. So this changes if you click that little grid. It's called a waffle. And if you click that waffle grid, it'll change the view for you, just like that. We also want to show you next to the waffle view grid at the top is this little box that looks like a part of a square. It's just kind of like a little frame. And that frame is called the Fullscreen Frame, and you can click it and it will make your video go completely in full screen, just like that. We also want to show you the important thing. When you come into the meeting, you're going to be muted if you have your microphone on, and we don't want you to unclick your microphone at all. And you can see if you mute your microphone, it puts a red line through it, or it'll have a red line through it when you start the meetings. We want it to be muted when you start the meeting. You will wait for a teacher to tell you to unmute your microphone. If you don't, what happens is all the noise at your house goes on the meeting and you won't be able to hear the teacher. So it's really important that you know how to mute and unmute your microphone. We also wanted to show you how you can see how many people are on the video. And I think that's about it. Oh, and then sometimes your teacher will want to screen share to show you something on her computer, like how to do a work or a video or maybe a photo. And if your screen share happens, it looks like this, just like it did when I went to show you how to get into the link. So they'll screen share, and you'll see your screen change from all the gallery view of the students. And your teacher will show you, Miss Anwana is drawing you a special little treat. And something like that will happen. If you can't see your screen share, then you'll want to get an adult to help you. If it's black, it'll look all black. If there's something that needs to be accepted or allowed or is blocked, then it'll be a black screen, and you won't be able to see anything when your teacher says we're going to screen share. Well, you'll need to get your adult at home to help you figure out what's wrong with your screen share. And if they can't figure it out, they're welcome to email the teachers or email me, Miss Sabrina, and we'll help them with that, because we want you to be able to see your screen. We hope that helps you with this new tool. We're excited to try it and excited to see you on this new tool next week, beginning on Monday. And we look forward to that. Have a really good day. Thank you.